Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in XENEA Wallet new campaign started and I will provide you all the correct answers of the questions. First of all, click on missions. Here you see a new campaign added. Click on it, name as KEA. Little scroll down. Here you see a quiz and total 10 questions. Click on start quiz. So quiz number 1, correct answer option number 2. I receive 100 gems as a correct option. So quiz number 2, correct option number 1. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. Quiz number 3, correct option number 4. Again receive 100 gems. Now quiz number 4, correct option number 2. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 5, correct option number 1. Again receive 100 gems. Now quiz number 6, correct option number 2. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 7, correct option number 4. Receive 100 gems. Now quiz number 8, correct option number 4. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. Now quiz number 9, correct option number 4. Receive 100 gems as a correct option. Now the last quiz number 10, correct option number 4. Again receive 100 gems as a correct option. I receive all 100 gems as a correct. Now click on continue. Here you see additional 1000 gems as all the answers correctly. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.